ka jala Meghalaya ka Rakhe ya ke jing kenjo ya ke san pusau senem kenti ha ke jing yo ya ke jala lejong ha Baghmara ka sau Garo hills kemudian ru ka jeka jong berang ba benekeng du ka jala Kapten Williamson sangma ha ke ni ke jing Rakhe berang ba ka jala klet ban kren da ketin lajong kata da ketin Garo kenang bagi paj ba Garo gibom sutu padang kin sutu kini kalau ke jing per padang ki menteri sokal kasi ki baju kren baik da ke pareng wat ha ke program kebajuan Gibril nanong kendang gibam sutu ya ke pareng. Ha ke juk apor mitang ba ukren duk den pareng ha ke jilang ke badon lang sembut mitang ba presiden jensong menteri ke tenat puli putih ke jela ba lak men rembui ke DGP ke kong ida sia nongrang bar kiwei. Kum kani ke jing Rakhe ke ba penlong ka soka syabar kanong ba silong kedai kesin banengkong. Ha kani ke sengi mitang ba Conrad ke sangma sembut mitang ba presiden jensong menteri ke tenat puli putih ba lak men kirapan kan mau ya kikam ba rat ba jong ni kesoka baga ale ha kini gi sipos nem duna ban kenteu ya kejela ha roi kapa bat kemju katong jong kani kesoka syakman.
Happy Meghalaya Day. Ada syua kali kecem. Yes, kangpat sangna. Ia Meghalaya Day ko dalo Baghmarao mania niara. Anchini Bhagapa. Late Captain Williamson Sangmako. Gi Sagrana Mandira na Aro J contribution ako biya. Was sumoyo. Utnahachin. J chin ansin dalo ya state ko ansin matnaha. Nukapay sola chana patsiya. Ya leader ko gi Sagrana. Bini home district to ansin Meghalaya Day ko mani gain. Ane chansiye. Dalo Meghalaya Day ko chinga Baghmarao mani nga. Rabirang Baghmara district, ba South Garo Hills district, ansin sakanchin uya. Namin neglected district umachin. Angay ko akanon, darang ko ba nga matang sa inga. Hindi ba na isimana kakit ko akaniga. Aro ansin sakanchin uya. Tentang development, J development rangko gapan district rango matingatsim, utningatsim. Baghmara aro South Garo Hills namin neglected kung atsim. Hindi ba niyang kapabalsis nini gisepo? Tentang infrastructure development ni kamera ko ka sen Baghmara ko ba nagsengat na Baghmara ko ba develop ka na singa namin joton ka inga. Iko akanon plak problem rang solve mo ano kaya kung sa problem rang Baghmara government pa perfect kung sa singa joton ka ba paano ba may ba problem rang de nakataya kundi ka man problem rang dunga yan ako singa niyenga tangat na singa joton ka inga. Hindi ba government ni tanga Baghmara o South Garo Hills ni mandirang na aganas ka. Baghmara mamang saluba second class treatment ko manjawa. Baghmara ba sina namin important district ka. South Garo Hills ni mandirang pa namin sina important ka. Aro J development ko gapan area rang gapan district rang matningatsin. Yapsan development ko Baghmara ni bandirang bamat na kra. Ang namin kusyo ka Mijalo Donor Ministry at sini Baghmara water supply na gandi ka pa face na rachasa sot 3 crore ko Mijalo sanction ka joke sanction ka ha manan simang sakanchin uya first phase ko nga machuta ha wasomayo tangkarang chungjachip. Unigamat nga gabak supply ko bagham ko nga chakura kam ka naman zaha. Hindi ba? First phase ko machuta ni Jakmano talo second phase ni sanction kung aha aro bangija sal so many kisepo second phase ni tender ang kuma chote kamrang pachga apachingat kunok unagre esmang ni main connectivity yan Darugri Siju Baghmara up to Dalu yan ba bang problem ng pachga chagrong ha anjing sakan chinubiyang land acquisition ni problem ng dao ba machut ko ja 98% machut chok 2% dong kuinga diba India surkaryo 95% land acquisition issues rangko resolve kana matno de government of India tangka pesa rangko sanction kaya oni kaman 98% ko machut chok 2% dong kuinga dao ba anga public ko ba munas kinga anjing khumong na khumong just kade anjing mamang saloba dun thani kura pa naman jawa development kura pa naman jawa unigaman ya ramana ba 98% land acquisition ni kamrang machotchok lekharang ko chinga delichi watata ha Ministry of Road and Surface Transport ya project ko approve ka finance ministry ni committee chi watata ha 1000 crore na bata yani estimate ya coach na talo follow up kainga it is because of the blessings that he has showered upon the people of our state that we were blessed to have our own land, our own state, our own identity. And in the last 54 years, Almighty has blessed us to take our state forward to where we are today. And I'm sure with the efforts that have been put by each and every citizen of our state, we will march ahead with confidence, determination, and the will to make sure that we achieve all the goals and targets that we have set in front of us. I also remember and thank and pay my respect to all our leaders of the past, especially those who had fought in a non-violent way, persistent, committed, and determined to get our own identity and our own state. I remember them for their hard work, their contribution, because of which we are here to celebrate Meghalaya Day. During those difficult times, when our leaders were fighting for the state, there was a strong sense of unity. Though we were different tribes, different communities, we were all one in our objectives, in our goals, in our dreams to have our own state. Sometimes I see differences. Sometimes on social media, I see hatred. Some community sometimes saying negative things about another community. And then I ask myself, that have we forgotten that our leaders had fought for exactly this state, to be together. Our mothers, our elders prayed to God, and God answered our prayers. And yet we are here today, not remembering those prayers and not remembering those sacrifices that were made by our leaders and our citizens during those challenging times. I hope this Meghalaya Day celebration will remind each and every one of us to be thankful, to be grateful for the blessing of our own state. And I hope that we will commit ourselves to working together in a united manner to take our state forward.